Hello everyone, um, this is Manzoor. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit and subscribe button and then and below a notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming product reviews, hacks, tips related to any digital marketing. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about what is the new training program which is a lazy commission. um, this is program where regarding about the affiliate marketing, how to set up affiliate marketing, how to especially for the beginners and seasonal marketer guys who want to achieve the earn the money side hustle per day $1,000. So they are committing giving the promises to the $100 per day online without spending any paid ads to generate $100 with by using their strategies. Okay, this is the program. So let's talk go to deep dive about understanding the what program is available, try modules available in this course. You can see here, this is the landing page. Is absolutely free, guys. Again, I'm saying it's really good. If anyone to just want to sign up and just start it, check the all these modules, you'll get to have an idea about what is those all about the courses. Then you will take a decision to upgrade your courses. There are a lot of upsell, downsells available. I'll show you that one as well. Okay, so this is the first thing, landing page where they are giving $100 per day online affiliate marketing with the free traffic. Okay, if you click here, this is the free access, $0. Okay, so A to Z step by step training, a complete course. This is updated 2025. These course, these basically is commission. There are a lot of every year they have giving updated. Last year also they 20 I saw 2023, then 24 as well. So this is the latest updated version 2025, to only one focus to the $100 per day as soon as possible. So what can I learn here? What is this all about? Okay, there is no fake gurus, nonsense, no more shiny objects that only tell only parts of the story. These are the things where basically, as in current market, people are just taking money. They are not giving the full information about affiliate program, how to run, how to choose the product, how to get approval, what is the process to set up the affiliate product. So this is the reason he has mentioned here. If you see here, there is no gimmicks, nothing. uh let's see demo. um
Hey, what is up, guys? Thank you so much for checking out this demo video on lazy commissions. My name is Tim Ikels. I'm one of the founders of Lazy Commissions, and on behalf of my business partner Paul Neidig, we want to say thank you very much for checking out Lazy Commissions. This, as I just said, is the demo video, so I just want to quickly run you through the back end of the platform. You would get access to this platform via email after your purchase, which is currently free because we are in pre-launch. So as you can see on the left-hand side, you've got a menu with the getting started, the foundation, email marketing, lead generation, traffic generation, and a conclusion. And then we've got a couple of bonuses and upgrades and affiliate resources, a change log, and support and help. And this is basically how we've structured it. If you want to find out more about us, about Paul and me, you can do so here. We've got the links here. We explain why the training is free, that there is no catch whatsoever. We don't even collect your credit card information on the front end purchase, so you don't have to fear anything. And you can get access to this right now for free. And just as an example, here in the foundation section, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 modules. As you can see, why 99% of people fail on execution, affiliate marketing process. We explain the value essential.
I think this course is really good. He has given a lot of detailed information. Even I also enrolled this course. I'll show you guys this the program dashboard. What are the modules available? I think it's worth it. There is no card information. There no need to give your card details, everything. You just need to sign up your email, your name and email address. That's enough to get all these modules. Okay. uh yeah, so let's show you that course. So yeah, This is a dashboard, as he shown that this is the main training program. You can see here the foundation. There are, why 19 people fail, our execution process, affiliate marketing process, niche selection, co offer selection, USP, bonuses, email marketing, lead generation, email marketing, swipes, traffic generate, understanding the traffic, how to generate organic content, all these modules he has given very detailed information, guys. Really, it's amazing. 1 minute. uh, yeah, so you can see he has given the video as well, detailed information he has given the training program.
Welcome to this
Okay, all modules he has mentioned.
part of list building and lead generation mistakes and the requirement of email marketing before we dive in.
So I don't want to show all detailed information. I think once you sign up, you'll get to know this is a free of cost. No need to tell anything. So you can just sign up, grab it this course. So then I think I these bonuses, around the $237 value of bonuses. The first bonus is landing page template, how to create set up a landing page, which is highly converted landing pages worth of $47 value. The second bonus is done for the affiliate product, is highly converted as 5 files, which is worth of $97 value. The bonus three is digital marketing through a how to run, you help run the how to what all the digital modules through a through SEO or paid ads, email marketing, everything will be available about this ebook. Then email templates kit, how to launch email template like sequences, templates, highly convertible. Then Facebook group, which is a priceless, so you can join my Facebook, all where whatever you have doubts, query, you can discuss in this group. Then bonus six is cooperating, AI cooperating, to generate, write it, cooperating with the highly converted sales page and ad copies, everything. Yeah. So, guys, I think it's a good deal. And the free access. This is a free access. You just it's a free of cost. You just need to check and see the modules all. If you like it, you can upgrade the skills. This